everyone, this is Mispa from Khawateen Rozgar Services, and I welcome you all to the Job Seeker series by Khawateen Rozgar Services. We have Fiza Masood with us today from Karachi, who is a graduate of IBA and is currently working as the head of human resources at Smile Industries and was formerly working with Jerry's Group. So, hi Fiza, it's great to have you on our podcast series today. Please kindly briefly introduce yourself.
Hi, Misbah. It is a pleasure being here and connecting with you. Thank you so much for having me, first of all. So, a little bit about me. I graduated back in 2016. Before I graduated, I was working with Engro as an intern. I was working with L'Oreal as a trainee, and in a startup company part time, which was known as PerkUp. So I have a very diversified background before I finally made up my mind about HR department. So once I graduated, I started off my career with Jerry's International, one of the division of Jerry's Group. I started off as assistant manager, but soon after I was promoted to the managerial level position for Jerry's International. But later on, I was further promoted for the HR head of Jerry's Group. Recently, I've switched my companies. I'm currently heading the HR department of Hudson Pharma, which is one of the most prominent divisions of Smile Industries. So that is a bit of my summary of my professional background. Apart from that, I'm a part-time trainer. I am into a lot of philanthropic work and a lot of other things.
All
So
right,
yeah,
great. So you told us that you're a trainer. तो आप किस field में training
yes.
देती है?
Soft skills basically. I do consultancy as well. I
Hmm.
do CV reviewing as well. uh, I have collaborated with different platforms. I work with them, and if there's any soft skill requirement at my organization, at any other organization, or even at universities, so
Hmm.
I try to help the youth over there.
All right, that's great. So, फिजा इस तरह है कि normally I would like to ask कि आपको अपनी organization के लिए is it easy to find the right candidates that you guys are looking for या कोई ना कोई challenge face करना पड़ता है?
The times अभी जैसे चल रहे हैं, the special जो special I would talk about specially in fact जो
Hmm.
अभी current generation है, I
Yeah.
think it is a little difficult. In fact, it is getting difficult day by day to
Hmm.
get the right candidate. You know why?
Yeah.
Because universities are focusing कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा graduates निकालें every year.
बिल्कुल.
And every year you can see that the number is multiplying significantly.
बिल्कुल.
However, uh, these universities or colleges are not focusing on skill development.
Hmm.
या अब से ये they mostly focus on कि आपकी जीपीए अच्छी आ जाए,
Hmm.
आप बुक्स अच्छे से पढ़ लो, आप करिकुलम अच्छे से याद कर लो. See, I'm talking about the majority here, not all. I know
Yeah.
some of them are working, on different lines,
Yeah.
but here I am just talking about the majority. So, इसके अंदर when you have so many candidates to shortlist from, it is
Hmm.
very difficult for us to find the right match basically. So yes, we do have access to a vast, a greater pool of candidates than before,
Yeah.
but at the same time it becomes very difficult for us to find the right candidate.
Right. So, आपके, what's the definition of the right candidate for you?
जैसे एक CV cannot be used for all the jobs. There
Hmm.
is not a single definition of right candidate for all jobs. For
Right.
every different kind of job, there is a different right candidate. For
Hmm.
example, if you talk about a graphic designer, we
Yeah.
would not want somebody who's very good looking or very presentable. We wouldn't
Hmm.
want somebody who's very good with communication or leadership skills, to be honest. We
Yeah.
would want somebody who's creative, who thinks out of
Hmm.
the box,
Yeah.
innovative. However, if you talk about business development or marketing, we might
Yeah.
need somebody who is more, who's good with communication, who's more presentable. So,
Yeah.
every position has its own definition for right candidate. So you cannot
Hmm.
generalize.
राइट सो अच्छा अगर कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन आए से कोई अगर कोई ग्राफिक डिजाइनर के लिए कोई पोस्ट आए यू हैव टू
Yeah.
कैंडिडेट्स इक्वली वो क्रिएटिव हों यू नो इक्वली उनके स्किल्स हों फोटोशॉप इलस्ट्रेटर उनके रेलिवेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स आते हों बट वन इज मोर प्रेजेंटेबल एंड वन इज मोर गुड एंड वन हैज मोर गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स देन द अदर so who are you guys going to prefer amongst these?
Communication is very essential. It is one of the most required skill in a person
Yeah.
whenever a recruiter is hiring. So obviously, if a person has good communication, the person would be able to deliver his or her objective in the
Hmm.
interview, and
Hmm.
obviously the interviewer would be impressed.
Yeah.
You cannot ignore the fact that at the end of the day,
Yeah.
your interviewer is a human.
Hmm.
So you cannot completely eliminate the human factor out of it. We do get impressed by candidates. ठीक है?
Yeah.
We do get disappointed in candidates,
Hmm.
and if a and trust me on this, if a person is a good communicator, and even if the person is not good with other skills,
Yeah.
the person would still have an edge.
Hmm.
Why? Because he would be clearly able to communicate his objective, his vision, his reasons for joining us. So
Right.
obviously, a person with good communication will always have an edge.
Right. Right. So what are the top 3 skills that you recommend कि हर job seeker के पास आजकल होने ही होने चाहिए?
Again, as I said, communication skills comes on top, to be very
Right.
honest.
Mm-hmm.
The second is business acumen.
Okay.
Understanding of what the organization wants to achieve, because mostly what people fail to understand is, even this happens with me a lot of time when we
Yeah.
are hiring a candidate, the person has done no research on what the values of the
Hmm.
company are, yeah, is, or what the company wants from the candidate. They haven't done the research at all,
Yeah.
and they just, whenever we ask them questions, they just, they are just speaking words for us. Okay.
Hmm.
And directionless words, to be very honest. So
Yeah.
we need somebody who has business acumen, who understands the business, who
Mm-hmm.
understands what the company do in the industry, what products do we have, who is our market, what do we sell. The
Yeah.
person needs to have this a good understanding of it.
Mm-hmm.
And the third would be, I would say, team building,
Yeah.
or learning skills. Because what I see in today's generation is a lot of resistance.
Hmm.
There is no willingness to learn,
Yeah.
even from your team. They have this ego issue, they have this very fragile egos, I would
Hmm.
say. कि मेरे मैनेजर ने मुझे ये बोल दिया, so yeah, I won't continue working here.
Hmm.
That is not how it works. That is how you learn. As they say, difficult bosses teach you as well, good bosses teach you as well.
Yeah.
So that is how it is.
एग्जैक्टली बिल्कुल तो इसी तरह क्योंकि आजकल के जो कैंडिडेट्स एंड जॉब सीकर्स होते हैं दे आर लुकिंग फॉर बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड उनका एक ही होता है कि वी नीड बेटर सैलरीज एंड वी नीड गुड पोस्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग बट ऑन द अदर हैंड दे हैव टू सी कि उनके अंदर भी कुछ स्किल्स सॉफ्ट स्किल्स भी और टेक्निकल स्किल्स भी कहीं ना कहीं वो लैक कर रहे होते हैं विच दे रियली
Yeah.
नीड टू कवर अप सो आपने जो ये बात की कि ये स्पेसिफिकली स्किल कि हाउ टू डील विद अदर्स तो इसमें किसका मेजर रोल है इज इट द यूनिवर्सिटीज जिनको सिखाना चाहिए या ये घर पे ज्यादा इस पे फोकस करना चाहिए
I wouldn't say घर पे, but I
हम्म
think the awareness comes from the university, and
हम्म
mostly from the person himself or herself, I
हम्म
would say. एक बंदे के अंदर अगर खुद अर्ज होती है ना, तो
या
वो हर जगह एक्सप्लोर करता है. There are a lot of successful people. Examples are numerous. जो
या
कि कभी अच्छे स्कूल नहीं गए, but they were successful. ठीक है.
बिल्कुल
I do say कि universities do play a part.
या
They do give you an edge.
या
But for example, I'll give you an example of my batch.
या
मेरे batch से निकले होंगे graduate for approximately like 400 or 500.
या
But ask me how many people are successful today. I can pretty much say probably 40% at max.
हम्म
ठीक है. But बाकी 60% क्यों नहीं? They also graduated from IBA.
या
But the only reason for that is a person needs to work on him or herself.
That's
जैसे
right.
बंदे के अंदर खुद awareness हो, they would seek knowledge from everywhere.
Exactly. Because so what do you
The
suggest कि
no room for yeah.
yeah, कि ये जो self motivation है, self awareness है, how does that come within a person? या कोई इसको build up कैसे करे?
अगर बंदे के अंदर खुद नहीं है कुछ तो you can never build it. It has to
Yeah.
come from within. You cannot provoke a person कि नहीं तो motivated हो no. Okay, it has to come from within. And to be very honest, I'll tell you, not everybody is born to be a leader.
Yeah.
Okay, not everybody can be a leader, to be honest. Because some obviously I would say कि innate होती हैं चीजें,
Yeah.
and it also depends on you कि आप अपने अंदर कितना work करते हो अपने ऊपर, and you develop those skills. I'm not saying it's impossible.
Yeah.
Everybody can be whoever they want to be, but it has to come from within. You have to be crazy about it. There's a very good video on YouTube. I think its name was The Crazy People of the World. Just, if all of the listeners or whoever is listening to it can go through it, they will understand that what craziness I'm talking about. So if one wants to develop and groom themselves,
Yeah.
Google is your answer. Literally, Google is your Bible.
Yeah, बिल्कुल, that's true. So आपने बड़ी interesting video का जो है नाम लिया Crazy People of the World. Even after this podcast, I'm going to go and Google that as well.
You
Yeah,
should,
so
you should.
it seems a very interesting one. So,
Yeah.
Fiza, what question that you guys ask during the interviews, and majority of the candidates tend to get it wrong?
There are a lot of questions, to be honest.
Okay.
One of the question is जो कि सबसे ज़्यादा गलत लोग perceive और understand करते हैं when we ask them how can you add value. Whenever I ask a candidate कि how can you add value to my organization, वो अपनी तारीफें करना शुरू कर देते हैं. They start off by saying, I'm a very good listener, I'm a very hard worker, I work with dedication, मैं बहुत ही मेहनत करने वाला बच्चा हूँ, I'm an honest person. This is not what I'm asking, to be honest.
Yeah.
And this is the most common questions recruiter ask. ठीक है, when they're asking how can you add value, they want to know कि आप कंपनी के objectives और goals के अंदर how can you contribute. You're talking about your skills. सही, you're not telling us how can you contribute.
Exactly.
इसको अप्रोच करने का तरीका is very easy. You understand about the company, you learn about the company. तो people mostly fail to do that before an interview. लोग बोलते हैं बस सही है, हमने उनकी वेबसाइट से पढ़ लिया, that is it. But no, ठीक है, because अगर कल को आपको जॉब ना मिली just because कि आपने सिर्फ वेबसाइट go through की and there was another candidate in parallel who did an in-depth research on the company and the industry, और उस बंदे ने अच्छा आंसर दिया, so you cannot blame कि ओ भाई मैं तो अच्छे से करके आया था इंटरव्यू.
Yeah, exactly. So this brings up two important points. एक ये कि वाकई में काफ़ी कैंडिडेट्स जो हैं वो इन डेप्थ रिसर्च नहीं करके आते, वो वैसे इंटरव्यू के लिए आ जाते हैं. दे डोंट नो कि कंपनी के कोर कॉम्पिटेंसीज क्या है, उनके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स क्या है, विजन क्या है, वो उन्होंने पढ़े नहीं होते. सेकेंडली, इवन अ लॉट ऑफ कैंडिडेट्स वो जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन भी सही तरीके से नहीं पढ़ते.
बिल्कुल.
And then they cannot answer properly during the interviews.
Exactly. अगर आप I would say अगर आप job description भी अच्छे से पढ़ लो, you would know what kind of answers a recruiter is expecting from you.
Exactly.
But then again, people don't even. मैं एक और interesting बात बताती हूँ, resumes. People take resumes so lightly. They don't understand that that is the first stage of screening. Most of the candidates are rejected because उनकी CV is not up to the mark. क्या पता वो बंदा बहुत अच्छा, but then again if you are not able to reflect it in your resume, then what good are you? मतलब honestly आपकी skills कैसे पता चलेंगी हमें?
Yeah, true. So what is the best answer that you ever got from a candidate during an interview?
So I remember one person, मैंने उससे पूछा कि what do you know about our company? मतलब it's a very general question, right? Asking you, what would you answer if a random company asks you, मतलब what would be your approach if I ask you what do you know about the company? Asks you, okay, what do you know about us?
Because so I will tell you my own experience. I won't name the company. I actually went for an interview before I started Khawateen Rozgar Services. So when I went for the interview, so मैंने उसका क्या किया था, I went to their website. इसके अलावा I googled regarding the latest newspaper पे articles जो उसके आते हैं. So I knew exactly what's going कि अभी उसकी current situation क्या है, उसके financials कैसे हैं, उसके sales के साथ क्या हो रहा है. So when I sat in the interview and they told me, कि आप बताएं कि what do you know about XYZ company. So I was able to tell them exactly कि उनकी current position क्या है. And he was so impressed with that information. He was like, you have researched very well. So, it was not only the website, I even went through the latest happenings कि उनकी position क्या है, उनकी sales आजकल कौन से वाले की down जा रही है, कौन सी product की उनकी sales ज़्यादा जा रही है. So I was able to come up with that.
No, I would. This is actually commendable because the best answer I consider is the same. I asked the candidate. The candidate had actually done his or her research. उसने पूरा हमारे financials देखे, not financials exactly. They're not public. They were not public. But उसने जितनी industry information निकाल, not just about the company. The person had done his research on the industry as well. Industry का भी पता किया हुआ था. And when I asked him about कि what do you know about the company, उसने सिर्फ company के बारे में नहीं बताया. He also told me about the industry and how can we grow in the industry. So obviously he was far from reality because उसको obviously actual picture नहीं पता थी. But I was so impressed कि बंदे ने actually time invest किया on the industry, and he actually put in so much effort that I can actually see why he wants to join us. So that was something I was very impressed with, because you place yourself in a recruiter's shoe for once and सोचो कि एक दिन में आपके पास 50 candidates आ रहे हैं interview के लिए. And if you ask all of them, what do you know about the company? Everybody keeps telling you the same thing that is on the website. Your company was started in 19 blah blah.
बिल्कुल.
This was the founder and that is it.
Yeah.
You just get bored.
Exactly.
I can also go through the website. What are you telling me?
Exactly. So they have to think कि वो actually stand out कैसे करें amongst the other candidates.
Exactly. That is the purpose of the interview, to prove yourself.
बिल्कुल. So what is the funniest answer that you ever got?
एक तो बहुत it is not exactly funny, but it was funny for me. मतलब मैं जब लोगों से पूछती हूँ, especially graduates of a reputed university or a college, whenever I ask them why should we take you on board, वो आगे से बोलते हैं because I'm a graduate of blah blah blah.
Okay.
And sometimes they demand for a very high, quote a very high salary, right? मैं बोलती हूँ कि why are you quoting this high salary when I can find the same a person with same competencies and same skill set, so why are you quoting such a high figure? तो उसमें mostly I get to hear मैं इधर का graduate हूँ, इतनी salary हम लोग के batch को मिलती है. Okay, fine. So yeah. So this is actually funny. मतलब ठीक है, you talk over your competencies, you talk over your skills. आप बताओ मुझे solid reasons दो, but this is no reason. कि मैं यहाँ का graduate हूँ, so I should be getting these figures.
So, अच्छा, इस सैलरी की बात आई है तो अक्सर जगह पे ये होता है कि majority of the jobs जो कि advertise होती हैं उनके साथ सैलरी गिवन नहीं होती, ठीक है. And candidates tend to submit their CVs. एंड जब वो इंटरव्यू में जाते हैं तभी उनको कुछ आइडिया होता है कि इसकी सैलरी राउंड अबाउट कितनी होगी. एंड मेजॉरिटी का क्वेश्चन इंटरव्यूअर का यही होता है कि व्हाट इज योर एक्सपेक्टेड सैलरी. सो जॉब सीकर्स के लिए भी एक कंफ्यूजन सी होती है. दे आर नॉट श्योर व्हाट दे रियली हैव टू कोड. So what would you suggest under these circumstances?
A best approach for such scenarios are, जब भी आप इंटरव्यू देने जाओ, don't be very rigid about the salary. तो आपसे पूछूं what do you expect? For example, if I have to say I expect 50,000, ठीक है, मुझे चाहिए 50,000 for example HR officer position के लिए, ठीक है. Vacancy में नहीं लिखा हुआ था, advertisement में नहीं लिखा हुआ था. I would just go. So I would not say that my expected salary is 50,000. I would rephrase it. I would rather say that I would ideally want it to be 50,000. However, I am open to whatever you have to offer.
Okay.
ठीक है. So you show a little bit flexibility. Obviously, आपको idea तो होगा कि इस range में होगी. If not, try to find a mutual contact in that organization. It is not difficult anymore to be honest. Because we have so many connections, LinkedIn, Facebook.
Exactly.
So one more thing that I would like to highlight: never ask the recruiter in the first stage कि आप कितना package offer कर रहे हैं, आप salary क्या offer कर रहे हैं. It makes a very bad impression. It just shows that you're working here for money. We all know that you're here for the money.
Yeah.
Right? Obviously, we all know.
Yeah.
but it leaves a bad impression in the first interview at least.
Okay.
What you can do is later on, जब आपको
Hmm.
ऑफर करें तब आप पूछ लें, ठीक है, बिकॉज
Hmm.
देन द बॉल विल बी इन योर कोर्ट, वो ऑब्वियसली आपको बताएंगे, या इफ यू आर इन द लास्ट स्टेज आप बिल्कुल बता दें, आप
Hmm.
बिल्कुल पूछ लो उनसे, सॉरी, बट इट लीव्स अ वेरी बैड इंप्रेशन अगर आप पहले इंटरव्यू में आए हो, स्क्रीनिंग इंटरव्यू में आए हो, एंड यू आर आस्किंग दैट आपकी मुझे बताएंगे प्लीज आप ऑफर कितना करेंगे, प्लस
Hmm.
show a little flexibility, ऐसे बोलो आई वुड आइडियली लाइक टू मेक 50,000
Hmm.
एंड चाहिए, एंड उसके बाद एक सेंटेंस आप एंड में बोल दो उसको कि भाई आई एम अ लिटिल बिट फ्लेक्सिबल ओवर दैट टू, एंड इफ यू
Hmm.
हैव एनीथिंग बेटर टू ऑफर, और यू हाईलाइट के बट आई एम मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट
Hmm.
rather than the salary or the
Yeah,
package.
so that's
So
a
you know
perfect
that
answer. Yeah. अच्छा कुछ candidates होते हैं कि for example the salary is say 50,000 for a post, वो understate कर देते हैं. They उनको I have seen a candidate जिसने actually 20,000 जो है वो quote किया था, and जो actual salary थी उस position की that was 50,000. So what impression does that give to the interviewers?
again it's a very negative impression. The reason I encourage candidates to not quote any figure, especially in
Yeah.
the screening interviews,
Yeah.
is because of this very fact, because अगर आप 20,000 demand करो, that shows कि you're not confident of your skills. आप
Hmm.
market पे average क्या चल रहा है, अगर आप उससे कम quote कर रहे हो, that is bad for you. ठीक है, it
Hmm.
shows कि आप खुद कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो अपने बारे में, how would the company trust you with its work and everything, because nowadays companies do not want people, they want personalities, right, जो
That's
कि
right.
उनको represent कर सके on different platforms. So अगर एक ऐसे candidate है who's not confident about him or herself, why would a
Hmm.
company want to?
सो फिजा, हमने जॉब सीकर्स की काफ़ी बात कर ली. सो जो करंट लोग जो कि काम कर रहे हैं किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में लगे हुए हैं, सो व्हाट आर द की क्वालिटीज दैट दे शुड पोजेस ताकि उनको बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो है वो मार्केट में मिल सके?
Okay, one thing I would like to state here is कि काफी लोग बोलते हैं कि यार मुझे तो 70,000 की सैलरी चाहिए थी, और
Yeah.
दिस कंपनी इज ऑफरिंग 50,000.
Yeah.
ठीक है, बहुत दफा ये होता है, इवन इन माय ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पीपल कीप पीपल टॉक अबाउट इट
Hmm.
कि नहीं भाई हमें तो ज्यादा सैलरी चाहिए, बट
Hmm.
वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू टेल, नो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वांट्स टू लूज देयर गुड कैंडिडेट्स.
Hmm.
ठीक है, it is
बिल्कुल.
the most important thing that you guys need to understand. ये लोग नहीं समझते, ठीक है, अगर
Yeah.
अपने आप को आप इतना अच्छा बना लोगे, ठीक है,
Hmm.
कि
Yeah.
आप इतनी वैल्यू एडिशन कर रहे हो कंपनी के लिए, आप एसेट प्रूव हो रहे हो, तो
Hmm.
अगर कल को आपको ऑफर भी आएगी ना 80,000 की, when you currently at 25, the
Yeah.
company would want to match that, because no
Exactly.
company wants to lose a good employee. ठीक है,
Yes,
बट
that's so
अगर
true.
आप खुद सोचो यू आर ऑन अ 25,000 एंड यू आर ऑफ नो गुड टू द कंपनी, आप कुछ
Yeah.
नहीं काम करते हो, आप बस आते हो, वही काम करते हो जो आपको दिया जाता है, यू डोंट गो बियॉन्ड योर जेडी, आप
Yeah.
सिंपल बस जॉब करते हो, नो एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट,
Yeah.
एंड देन यू एक्सपेक्ट कि कंपनी आपको रेज दे सिग्निफिकेंट 30-40,000 का,
हाँ.
दैट इज नॉट.
That's true.
सही
इससे
है.
मुझे एक और स्टोरी याद आई है. I know someone. So that person got an offer from a telco. ठीक है, telecommunication industry में बड़ी अच्छी उसको offer आई. So he told that to his current organization, and उन्होंने उधर ही उसको बोल दिया कि we are giving you a 40% raise. So don't
एग्जैक्टली
go. So that was a very big raise.
एग्जैक्टली दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग यू कि
Yeah.
कंपनीज अच्छे लोगों को नहीं लूज करना चाहती, एज आई सेड कि इट इज
Yeah.
वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू फाइंड द राइट कैंडिडेट, एंड व्हेन कंपनीज डू, तो
Yeah.
दे और एक और मैं आपको बात इंटरेस्टिंग बताती हूँ,
Yeah.
दे इवन, ये तो चलो उसको ऑफर है एंड दे ट्राई टू काउंटर ऑफर एंड एवरीथिंग,
Yeah.
that is a different story, but
Hmm.
even for example जैसे अभी का जो scenario है, the scenario of COVID-19, when people are getting rid of their employees,
Yeah.
सही है, जब आधी ज्यादा कंपनीज ऑन पेपर भेजें, दे वुड
Hmm.
नेवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन देयर स्टार एम्प्लॉइज, उनको
That's
वो
true.
लोग अभी भी रेज देंगे, साल भी देंगे, एंड दे वुड वांट टू रिटेन देम एज वेल. ठीक है,
Yeah.
सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, आप किसी
Hmm.
काबिल बनो एंड then ask for it. In fact, I would say you wouldn't even have to ask for it then if you're
Yeah.
good enough. So focus on yourself and grow. मतलब personal development पे focus करना चाहिए. And I will tell you one more thing. What
Yeah.
happens is,
Yeah.
I know somebody. वो एक company उसने join करी personally. I
Hmm.
know this person. उसने company join करी. that person kept working on the same position for 8 years. ठीक है,
Mm-hmm.
उसी उसी डिपार्टमेंट में एक और बंदे ने ज्वाइन किया एट द
Yeah.
सेम पोजीशन एंड दैट पर्सन वाज प्रमोटेड विद इन 2 years. जबकि
Okay.
वो वाला बंदा जो पहले काम कर रहा था वो उसी पोजीशन पे 8 years तक करता रहा काम.
Okay.
फिर यू नो वन डे दैट पर्सन केम अप टू मी एंड वाज लाइक कि मैं जो है मैं इतने सालों से काम कर रहा हूँ उस पोजीशन पे, नया बंदा आया उसको ऐसे प्रमोट कर दिया 2 साल में. मैं
Hmm.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस किसी काम का नहीं है, मेरा कुछ किसी काम का नहीं है. बट वन थिंग मैंने खैर आई उस वक्त आई टैकल हिम, बट आई वुड लाइक पीपल टू नो कि the the reason this person
Hmm.
was not promoted and the other person was promoted was ये जो बंदा था जो 8 साल से काम कर रहा था, जब इसने ज्वाइन की थी ना कंपनी, he
Yeah.
had the same skill set, he had the same qualification. In
Mm-hmm.
these 8 years the only thing he had was experience. No
Hmm.
other personal development, कोई additional course नहीं किया, कोई additional personal development नहीं करी. However, the other person who joined,
Yeah.
उसने ज्वाइन करने के 2 साल के अंदर अपना मास्टर्स खत्म किया,
Mm-hmm.
एक्सटर्नल डिप्लोमाज लिए फ्रॉम रेप्यूटेड यूनिवर्सिटीज
Hmm.
एंड उसके साथ साथ अपनी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स को भी पॉलिश किया. सो
Hmm.
यू टेल मी, मतलब बीइंग अ लॉजिकल पर्सन, who do you think deserve to be promoted? Obviously the person who has worked on himself,
Exactly.
right?
बिल्कुल.
बट वो बंदा जिसने 8 साल में वही का वही है, तो ये
Hmm.
हाउ कैन expect के he would be promoted as compared to the person who's actually working on himself, even though वो junior है सब है, but he has better skill set, better exposure. So you know ये
बिल्कुल.
this is a very common mistake in our organization. जो चले जाते हैं वो they don't they बस वो बोलते हैं अच्छा भाई अब तो हम मैनेजर पे आ गए, हमारी
Yeah.
हो जाएगी आराम से. No, you need to keep working on yourself. हर
बिल्कुल.
महीने का एक गोल होना चाहिए कि यार इस महीने आई हैव टू एक्वायर दिस स्किल. इट कैन बी एज पेटी, literally it can be as easy as learning excel, as easy as learning anything, a new dish, a new calligraphy font, anything
Yeah.
at all. But one skill or one additional thing a month or
Yeah.
in 2 months will definitely take you somewhere.
Perfect. So these were some very, very important and useful insights, Fiza. So on the ending notes, do you have any other suggestions or comments that you would like to add for the job seekers?
Yes, one thing.
Hmm.
Uh, it's not long जब most of the jobs will be replaced by artificial intelligence. ठीक
Hmm.
है? It's not ये time दूर नहीं है. ठीक है? So we should start focusing on things जो कि हमारी पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट की तरफ काम करें, एंड वो स्किल्स स्पेशली वो
Yeah.
प्रोफेशंस. इफ यू गूगल के कौन से प्रोफेशंस कैन नॉट बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड
Yeah.
स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग स्किल्स उसके ऊपर. वी विल ऑलवेज नीड ह्यूमंस, बट वो हर डिपार्टमेंट में नहीं चाहिए हमें. ठीक है? सो
Right.
इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू एक्वायर स्किल्स.
Hmm.
डेटा एनालिसिस वाली जितनी चीज़ें उसमें वी कैन these things cannot be replaced by machinery, so one should work on that. And one very important thing for especially fresh graduates that I highly recommend,
Hmm.
at the end of the day हर बंदे के पास डिग्री होती है. What
बिल्कुल.
different skill do you have? हर कोई आजकल जीपीए लाने पर फोकस कर रहा होता है. They do not focus on developing skills. आजकल we have internet on literally, मतलब हम हमारे हाथ में है, on our phones. No company wants कि इसको ये वाला कोर्स का ये चैप्टर याद होना चाहिए, ये चीज याद होनी. No, we do not want that anymore. We want people with skills. We want people with skill set. इवन इमिग्रेशन में लोग अप्लाई कर रहे होते हैं, देयर इज अ स्किल बेस्ड इमिग्रेशन. ठीक है? बिकॉज
Yeah.
कोई ये नहीं बोलता कि जीपीए बेस्ड इमिग्रेशन. नो, इट्स स्किल बेस्ड.
Hmm.
व्हाई? बिकॉज पीपल आर प्रेफरिंग स्किल्स ओवर एनीथिंग एल्स. सो आप यूनिवर्सिटी में भी हो, स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन योर स्किल्स. कोर्सेरा पे आपको कोर्स मिल जाएंगे, थोड़ा सा पे करो. और Udemy, all of this, there are a lot of courses out there. So one thing, learn new skills. That is very important.
Right. So,
And
Fiza, do
focus
you
on your
see any changes जो कि accordingly job seekers को भी करनी चाहिए अपने अंदर, keeping in mind the current situation of COVID-19?
they should be more flexible, I think.
Mm-hmm.
They should be more accommodating. I know times are difficult, companies have to take difficult decisions, but the good thing is things will go back to normal sooner or later, right? So it
Yeah.
is very important to इस टाइम को यूटिलाइज करें अच्छे से, to develop skills with regards to their job and stay on good terms with their employers. ठीक है,
Yeah.
अच्छे एम्प्लॉयज की ज़रूरत पड़ती है एम्प्लॉयर्स को हर दफ़ा.
बिल्कुल.
So if you are on the good terms,
हम्म.
definitely you would be the highest recommended candidate. ठीक है, अभी I know बहुत recession चल रहा है my country में, people are losing jobs. It is
हम्म.
okay, to be honest, it's not the worst thing, I know. Lastly, मैं एक चीज़ और बताना चाहूँगी, earning is not difficult. It's just about ego.
That's
ठीक है,
right.
there are a lot of professions out there.
Yeah.
अगर ज़रूरत है बंदे को, वो जाकर बहुत छोटी छोटी अपना एक कियोस्क लगा लेता है फ्राइज का. ठीक है,
Yeah.
यू कैन इजीली अर्न अ लॉट फॉर दैट. बट इट्स ऑल अबाउट ईगो. लोग बोलते हैं हम ये प्रोफेशन करेंगे. ठीक
हम्म.
है, सो आई वुड से कि flexibility होना is very important because that is something lacking in our generation, especially.
Yes.
Egos are very high, egos are very fragile. We're not
बिल्कुल.
flexible, we're not
हम्म.
intolerance बहुत ज़्यादा है. So
हम्म.
these are a few things, not just in these times, but आगे भी. And again, I cannot emphasize enough on learning soft skills because अच्छे employee के लिए there is always a space. ठीक है, अच्छे employees को कभी नहीं कोई जाने देता.
हम्म.
ठीक है,
So
तो
perfect.
जो लीस्ट इसेंशियल होता है उनको
Yeah.
जाने देता है. सो अगेन आई वुड एम्फसाइज वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ, डेवलप मोर स्किल्स. बेशक पता है, आई एम सॉरी इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अ लॉट,
नहीं नहीं, it's
बट
totally fine. Yeah.
even if they're not relevant to your profession. For example, अगर आप HR में काम कर रहे हो, HR का दूर दूर तक फोटोशॉप से लेना देना नहीं है, but
Hmm.
still learn. कोडिंग से नहीं है, still learn it. सही है, it will only give you benefit.
So, Fiza, thank you so much. We got some very, very useful insights. We talked regarding personal development में बहुत emphasis की. Then we even talked regarding, how to tackle some interview questions. And then we talked regarding self-awareness, कि वो कितनी ज़रूरी है आजकल job seekers में, जो कि बहुत से लोगों में नहीं पाई जाती है आजकल. Then we talked regarding the soft skills, the importance that it has nowadays. सो इन सब का आई गेस अगर ये सारी चीज़ें जॉब सीकर्स जो हैं अपने अंदर जो है इनकॉर्पोरेट कर दें, सो दे कैन हैव अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल करियर अहेड.
One last thing, persistence.
या
Persistence is the key, to be honest.
बिल्कुल, दैट्स ट्रू, बिल्कुल. सो इसी तरह होता है कि जॉब सीकर्स एक फील्ड से स्टार्ट करते हैं, बट एज वो अपने स्किल्स डेवलप करते हैं, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो एक ही जिसमें उनकी डिग्री हो उसी फील्ड में कंटिन्यू करें. But in fact, depending on their skills and their ability, they can even have a different career path. So it is really important कि वो constantly अपने आप को improve करें, अपने skills develop करें. They never know which career path they might follow and कहाँ पे उनको सबसे ज़्यादा success मिलेगी. So Fiza, thank you so much. हाँ जी.
Yeah, sorry. I was saying that even if they don't switch their career path, they
Yeah,
would have an understanding. Even if they're working for HR and they know about coding, they would
exactly.
be of assistance to IT. So, it will
इसी
help
तरह.
you in some way or the other.
बिल्कुल,
So,
because
yeah.
so many
Thank you
people.
so much.
Yeah, so इसी तरह के so many people they don't really know what skill they really have, जिसमें वो
Yeah.
वाकई में अच्छे होते हैं, and graduation के बाद ही उनको पता चलता है कि भाई that's the skill I'm really good at. ठीक है, चलिए फिजा, so again thank you so much. So now we will be ending the
It's
podcast.
my pleasure. Yeah.
Thank you so much
Lovely,
for your
lovely
time.
talking to you.
It was lovely
Thank you,
talking to
Mustafa.
you as well. Lovely talking to you as
Same
well.
here.
Okay, bye bye, Khudafis, and stay
Bye.
safe.
Take care.